Bro, we got the fucking cookie light up RGB fucker, bro. That shit's fucking gas. Big riffs for the tweaks. Yo, we got landing back out here, man. What's good? On that gang. Bro, look at that Zaza. That shit's straight up fire. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Okay. My boy put up on me with the fire ass wheel. You know it. Yeah, appreciate you. So y'all, we gonna swap this out because I'm getting tired of this stock piece of shit. And hopefully this shit helps me swing better, so we'll see. I'll let you guys know. That fucking airbag is heavy as shit. Once you get that out there, you fucking wah bah 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 fucking. Yo, wait, what'd you say your wheels called, bro? Oh, we got the Dungeons and Dragons faggot. Man, it's tweaking. Straight out the psych ward. Oh, bro. Fucking TJ, bro. He's a fucking father. That fucking. Even get some slides in tonight and shit. Yeah. You know what I mean? Fresh out of the clinic shit. Bro, I'm on some mad shit, bro. Devil shit. Slide. Yeah, but we'll see if this piece of shit even swings before it's tuned. But I know it should definitely swing once it's tuned, for sure. Alright, what's going on, DriftTweakers? So, I started my new job today. I quit Silly Green. Wasn't really my thing. They kind of kicked that out. Like, bullshit. So I wasn't trying to stay there. You know what I mean? But my man Drew got me a new job. Just shout out my man, you feel me? You know, we're on the way to just, feel me, go put in some sprinkler heads and do some easy shit. Get some shit done. Save some lives. Yeah, save some lives, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I just want to let you guys know, man. No more Simply Green for the boys. Yeah. You guys, so right now we're actually going to go pick up the old exhaust, stock exhaust, and put it in the van, take it home. So I have that, and tomorrow is tuning day. So I'm beyond hype for what is to come tomorrow. Just my luck, guys. We're out here in the valley. What happens next? I think I either blew my axle or my diff or something along the lines of that. I don't know yet, but it's getting, a tow truck's coming right now. We're getting it towed to the shop. We're gonna see what it is and if it's something we can fix today. Because guys, my tuning date is tomorrow. So this sucks if, you know what I mean, I have to postpone that. But it is what it is with cars, you know? Y'all understand. But we're out here in the valley, which is very nice. This is around where I live. It's a nice scenery out here. It's funny, I used to take this route home every day from high school, so I'm pretty familiar with this road, but we broke down, actually that hill down there, I was coasting all the way down that, and kind of just ended up here. So the tow truck's coming, and then they're taking it to the shop, and I'm going back home. We'll probably head to the shop later to see what's up with this piece of shit. Guys, I've been waiting here for just a little over, or just about 2 hours. Tow truck's almost here. We'll take her to the shop, see what's wrong with her. Get some food and head to the gym. See if me and TJ can head over there later. 3 damn hours later. Alright guys, so we're at the shop right now. I'm going to pick up some new axles, but I just wanted to check out under the car to see what exactly fucking happened. DriftTweakers, we got the axles, they're in. Just picked up both of them from AutoZone. And then next is getting these son of bitches in.
Beat up TJ's neck.
I'll smoke you though.
You won't. How much you want bet? Put that, throw them racks
50
up,
bucks, 50 bucks tonight.
How much?
50 bucks.
You ready for this, man? We gotta run this thing.
I have 100 cash on me right now.
Oh, I got 100 cash on me.
Okay, run it. After work, 100 cash.
After I do this axles, I'll do it. You buy my tires.
That is not.
You buy my. Listen, he buys my tires if I win, right?
But here's the thing, though. 2 tires, or how many tires you want, easily way more than 100 bucks.
No, it's not. You start with J tires, it's about 50 bucks a pop. Give me 2 tires, it's 100 bucks.
You ready to smoke it out there?
Nah, yo, we got
say
it.
50 bucks.
Shake on that shit, bro.
Because you're gonna be like, oh, Jay's tires got me for the 71st.
Nah, yo, you tripping.
It's crazy.
in there and fight these guys. $50 for a next tire. Like 2 months ago.
So currently this nigga's fucking up. All fucked up.
Yeah, we got back in the axes out, guys.
We about to get him in, right?
Hopefully.
Nah, they're just Infinity sport brakes.
I didn't know because I know some companies sell like Brembo on the back of them and you just can't see them. Type shit.
Bro, yo, CJ, what you doing, man?
They're considered big brakes though, right?
Yeah, they're like. What's this? TJ Bangin' got a little news.
Yeah, you heard?
What you back, dog? Me, dog?
We back with the boost game. We back, dog. You heard? Back and shit. You hear
What's
that?
this strong, like 1,000 horsepower already?
It's like 550 horsepower. 550 horsepower.
What's up with y'all, DriftTweakers? It is Matt here. I wanted to let y'all know we did install the axles last night. Or sorry, TJ did. Appreciate that, my guy. But the car is not in drivable condition. The car does not drive. And Warren was saying that he thinks it's the differential. So, guys, we are probably going to head to a junkyard when I get back from Virginia and see if we can find a differential for the G. Because we got to get this thing back on the road. As y'all know, we want to get it tuned and running and spitting and sliding and everything possible for y'all, man. We want to get the G running, you know. It's been a long time since it's been in really good running condition. So we're going to get it there for sure. Just take some time. Stick with us, man. Keep tuning in. I want to say I appreciate the love, all the love y'all been giving the tweaks, man. Watching the videos, liking the videos, and subscribing. I appreciate all the new subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for supporting us. Like I always said, we got a lot more coming for y'all. It never stops with the tweaks. It's endless. Cars and this lifestyle is our lifestyle. We don't just do this for YouTube. We've been living this lifestyle for years. And, you know, we really appreciate everyone who supports us. So I wanted to make sure I took a minute to say that because I do really appreciate all the support.